Hello guys, how are you? We are back with the coding episodes. Today we are going to do the sounds tab. So this one's pretty small, so we will cover two tabs in this video. Sounds tab and events tab. So what is actually the sounds tab? First, this is the play sound meow. And this is start sound. It is just like we did in the previous episodes, like say hello and say hello. Like it just stays there. But what happens? These are just opposites. If we do a start sound meow, then whatever the sprite is doing, it will be continue doing it and the sound will play in the background. But if we use this block, what it will do that it will play the sound until it is done and no other movement can be done by the sprite. And after that, this is our basic stop all sounds button, like this is stopped. Yeah. And this is change pitch effect. Let's do it by 50. Just listen. Yeah. That's pretty to our ears, not. Oh, I forgot to clear the sound effect. Yeah. Now, if we do it just by 100, it does literally nothing. So don't use this block, it is very bad. And next, this is our change volume or set volume button. That what is our current volume of the volume that of the sound that we are currently playing. For example, if I wanted to play at sorry for this, I'm just gonna delete all of this, and yeah, I am just gonna do change volume and set volume. If I want that my volume should be like 50, first of all I'll hear it to you by 100, and now this is 50. Oh, I forgot to set it. Yeah. It isn't. Why isn't it working? Yeah, it's working now. I don't know why it wasn't working at the time. Yeah. Now it is clearly working. Yep, it's working. Yeah. And yeah, that's are done. This one is just like we have read like costume number or the motions XY position blocks. And if you haven't watched those videos yet, go ahead and watch them. And if you have any query, go ahead, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. I'll surely make a short video about it. Yeah. Now we are coming to the events block. First of all, this is the when click block. I'm just gonna these are the main blocks. Like if this specific function happens, then do this thing. And I don't really use this unless I want to show it off. And when I receive and broadcast, these two are the most main blocks ever I use. Like literally, who doesn't use these blocks? I mean, who does not? Yeah. And let me just real quick tell you that these two blocks does the same thing. There's no difference. So yeah, and now what these two are combined, and these all are different blocks. First of all, when green flag clicked, when this green flag got clicked, and this is pretty basic block, like when your project starts. And now when space key pressed, I want to say hello. I'm gonna press the space key in 3, 2, 1. Hello. It doesn't matter if your project is started or not. Like look, literally I think you can hear the button. I'm literally pressing it. and after that this is when loudness. For example, now let me just really quick do this, and yeah, just let me do it to 30. Okay, now it went. Yeah, just let me talk to my viewers. Yeah, now if like I shout loudly then it says hello. Like you can choose from a specific audio, and this works every time when loudness is above it. And now this when backdrop switches, like for example we choose like in a forever loop that change your backdrop. So when a specific backdrop appears, for example backdrop hashtag 2, backdrop 2, then where did it go? Yeah, backdrop 2, then say hello for 2 seconds. What I'm gonna do, just code real quick, code the backdrop and look, oh sorry, play sound pop when space keep is no, yeah, pop and next backdrop. Just look what happens. 3 2 1. Hello. Just look at this block. And this was all for a block. We can do it to backdrop 1. Yeah. Any backdrop do you want? How many backdrops do you have? It depends on you. And when just right click, it is mainly for like let's just real quick add a sound. Just the POP classic, a classic pop sound. And yeah, when this right click, for example, if you wanna make a project that is whenever you click a specific button or a specific thing, you can literally hear my button. Yeah. And yeah, this was when the sprite clicked. You can change different keys. There are also number keys, left arrow, right arrow, any, but they are not keys like backspace, control, shift, enter. That's a pretty bad. Think all like plus, minus, star, divide. Now let's come to when I receive a specific message. For example, when space key pressed, broadcast, subscribe. Just look at this. I'm just gonna real quick clear others. Yeah, just these two. When space key pressed, I'm just gonna do a surprise. Yeah, dinosaur one. For example, when no, not space key, but when this sprite is clicked, when the scratch cat gets clicked on, when I receive subscribe, looks, I'm just gonna say subscribe to me, like you should do right now. And I want that this character gets like goes in a random position multiple times. Then I'm just gonna glide it multiple times. Yeah, 2 times are better. So what will happen if I'm for example choose costumes, and I just choose a costume named wall, or no, I will choose button because that can demonstrate better. And yeah, that didn't really upload it. Why is it taking so long? I don't know. Yeah, it just loaded. Yeah, there you go. here's our button. So when we press this button, it is going to broadcast subscribe, and when this thing receives subscribe, it will say subscribe to me for 2 seconds, glide 1 second to the ender position, and then again glide 1 second to the ender position. So if I just press this subscribe to me, it is going to glide and glide like this. For example, I can just name this button like go to text and type here move. Like when you press move, it is gonna move in 2 seconds randomly after subscribing to me, like you should also do right now. And that's all for today's video. Thank you guys, hope you like this video. If you have any query over here, type it in comments. Thank you.